Good morning, students. We are continuing our sixth chapter of geography, major landforms of the earth. Students, in this video, we understand three definitions. They are hill, mountain, and soil erosion. First, hill. A hill is a land surface that rises higher than the surrounding area. A hill, it is a land surface and that rises higher than the surrounding area. That rises higher than the surrounding area. We have seen different pictures of hills. Even some of us have visited some of the hills. Hills, students, they are land surface but that rises higher than the surrounding area. The surrounding area, they are at lower, and some land surface, they are rises higher. Such land surface or landform, that is known as hill. I repeat, a hill is a land surface that rises higher than the surrounding area. For example, suppose this is the land surface and a surface of land that rises higher than the surrounding area, then it is called a hill. Now next, mountain. A steep hill with an elevation, means height of more than 600 meters, is termed as a mountain. Mountain, it is a hill. A steep hill with an elevation, means with the height of more than 600 meters, is termed as a mountain. If the height of steep hill, it is more than 600 meters, then it is known as mountain. So the definition of mountain is a steep hill with an elevation of more than 600 meters is termed as a mountain. Next, soil erosion or erosion. The wearing away of the earth's surface is called soil erosion. The wearing away of the earth's surface is called soil erosion. Now, wearing away, it means breaking into pieces. Another definition we can say of soil erosion: moving of topmost layer of the earth or soil from one place to another place by some natural agents, it is called soil erosion. Movement of the uppermost layer of the earth crust from one place to another place by some natural agents, that is called soil erosion. Even we have seen some of the times, due to heavy rain, the uppermost layer of the earth surface that moves from one place to another, that is called soil erosion. Some of the times, and especially in desert areas, due to extreme wind, the topmost or the upper layer of the soil, it is carried from one place to another place, that is called soil erosion. So soil erosion, it takes place due to some natural agents. These some natural agents encompasses soil, wind, running water, and ice. The surface of the earth is being lowered by the process of erosion and rebuilt by the process of deposition. The surface of the earth is being lowered due to the process of soil erosion and rebuilt by the process of deposition. When soil erosion takes place, then soil is deposited at other place. So that is called rebuild of the surface of the earth. And these two processes, soil erosion and deposition, they are carried out by three natural agents. They are running water, ice and wind. Soil erosion and deposition, these two processes are carried out by running water, ice and wind. I hope it is understood to you. Thank you, students.